Why do low-rise pants look so good on runways, but feel wrong the second you put them on? Because I put them on and immediately wanted to take them off. Not because of my body, because the version they sell only works in a controlled runway moment, not in your actual life. And I'm still traumatized from wearing them in the early 2000s. And no one tells you that. So I stopped copying the runway and started using it as inspiration, not instruction. And once I changed how I was wearing them, that actually started working. And I'm gonna be honest, I actually hate how this trend is being pushed right now, because quietly it makes you feel like something is wrong with you. And I learned that the hard way, standing in front of my mirror like, why does this look good on them but not on me? And if you ever had that moment, we're the same person. So I stopped listening to the ways fashion tells you to wear things and started editing for real life. Because I don't copy outfits, I fix them. Look number 1. See, this is what gets us every time. It looks so effortless, like she just threw it on and walked out. But this is a controlled moment. And I fell for this hard. Hip huggers. That's what I used to call them back in the days. If you remember that, let me know in the comments down below. I was wearing them exactly like this. Tiny top, low jeans, thinking that I was doing something. I was younger. I didn't know any better. I just knew it was trending back then and I tried it on and I was gonna wear it no matter what to go clubbing. Meanwhile, I'm pulling everything down every 5 seconds. It just wouldn't stay in place, praying that I don't have to bend over and moon someone for free. And I really thought that the problem was my body back then. Hell, I still have those moments now. But girl, I changed that with the quickness. Because I'm in a phase where I'm about treating Daisy right. No more putting Daisy down. So here's what's actually happened. Low rise, no structure on top. Too exposed, too much. That only works if you're standing still. Styled by a full team, not living your life. So when you take that into real life, this is what you get. Off, unfinished, uncomfortable, unknowing. Everything is wrong, including your body. If it only works standing still, it doesn't work. So here's what I changed. I kept the low rise, but I gave myself balance on the top. Because I'm not going outside fixing my outfit all day. That's not cute. And if you ever worn something and thought, why do I look off? This is why. It's not your body. It's how you are copying it. Look number 2. Watch this. This is where people get fooled. This is where sets get you. On the runway, polished, expensive, effortless, flawless, beautiful. And then you put it on and it's giving nothing. Like, did I even try? Did I not try? What's happening? Sets feel safe, especially with low rise. You feel more covered. Like, okay, I'm not exposing everything. I'm good. But this is why most sets actually look lazy. Most. And yeah, I said it. And the real trick with low rise, it's not your body, it's the fit. I used to blame my body for this all the time. And I'm talking about back in the days when I used to wear hip huggers. And many different trends along the way. Hell, I even do it today in certain parts. But I try to catch myself because I don't want to put Daisy down anymore. We do that a lot. We put ourselves down, our bodies down, our looks down, and I'm tired of that. No more harming Daisy. But I'm learning. It's not about forcing myself to fit in the clothes. It's about choosing clothes that fit me right. So I don't just wear the set, I style it. Open it, add contrast, break the perfection, because expensive isn't matching, it's intentional. Look number 3. This is exactly where people start shaming their body. This is the one that makes people spiral. You put this on and immediately go, yeah, this one's not for me. Stop. Low rise drops everything down. So if your top has no presence, you disappear. So instead of shrinking, I build. Stronger top, shape, structure. Low rise needs an anchor or the whole outfit falls apart. And suddenly the jeans weren't the problem. Look number 4. Be honest. This is the real problem. Looks good until you live in it. You don't feel secure. You're walking around like, is this moving? Am I exposed? Am I going to show too much? Nervous. Trust me, I've been there. And if you're adjusting all day, it's not a good outfit. So I don't fight the pants. I stabilize the look. Strong top, controlled shape. Now I'm not thinking about the outfit. I'm just living. As I should. So if low-rise ever made you feel like this just isn't for me, it's not that it's not for you. It's that nobody taught you how to wear it in real life. Runway is a performance, a fantasy. Your life isn't. Although I don't mind a little fantasy in my life. And I don't copy outfits, I fix them. If you want more real styling, like what actually works in real life, subscribe. Because I'm breaking down what to wear, what to skip, and why your outfits still feel off every week. And tell me in the comments, have you tried low rise and hated it? Or did you just never know how to fix it?